when Quran tells the Zulkarnain reached at the place of sunset. So Quran thinks there is a place in the word where the sun actually sets. So it has like two parts: sun setting and setting in murky water.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Place of sunset. Yeah.
Okay. Good. So basically, my point is, here's my point. Okay. Let me use my pen. So my claim is that Quran does not say this. Quran.
And you prove the Quran doesn't say this.
Sorry?
How can you say the Quran does not say this?
Great. Fantastic. Okay, good. So now my point, look, when we are going to read Quran, we will understand it in the way that the Arabs understood the Quran, right or wrong? How can you, okay, so here's my question. If I have to say something, does Quran say this or not? So for example, you know, does Quran says that Jesus is the Son of God?
No.
Okay. Does Quran say that God is singular or plural?
Singular.
Okay, good. Now here's the thing. Quran uses the word we in Quran. If you literally translate, it says we. How would you understand God is singular? Because you have to use common sense, right? There are, you know, that in Arabic, even in Urdu, हम कहते हैं ना कि ओ हमारा ये फैसला है कि आप.
मैं वो यही कहने लगा था कि ये तो एक एक्सप्रेस करने का स्टाइल है.
Exactly. Thank you.
इसका मतलब एक से ज्यादा तो नहीं है.
Thank you.
It doesn't mean it.
Right, exactly. So basically, you will go with the principles of the Arabic language. You can ask the people who understand the Arabic language, and you can say that, you know, is this an acceptable thing in Arabic that people use we for singular? And they will say, yes, it is. So likewise, what I'm saying.
हम भी करते हैं. Yeah. मैं कहा वो हम भी करते हैं.
Exactly, yeah, I'm saying, but imagine some English guy, right? He may or may not appreciate it, especially if he's not familiar with, you know.
Yeah. For him, it's a little different thing.
Right, and to be honest, you can find some Christians. They will come up with this argument. Hey, your Quran says we. So this shows a shallow level.
Oh no, because they don't know it.
Yeah, this just shows
this
a
is the language. Yeah.
Likewise, just like that, I'm saying that if you go back to any Arab or you look up the classical explanation, you look up anything, nobody understood this the way that you are claiming it.
No, that's not true.
Okay,
you're trying to compare the apple with watermelon, you know. It's like number of sentences, and you want me to look at it and say what is not there.
Okay.
But listen, what we can do is we can move forward, because I think you are sticking to your point. I'm sticking to my point. No. Probably we'll be here all day and we will not agree with each other. No. I don't have to agree. It's just I wanted to bring up my point. Unless you are confident that you can convince me, then you first convince me and then move to another. It's up to you.
Okay. Khalid, all I'm asking, please listen carefully. I'm not asking to agree with me.
I just gave you an idea. I mean,
fine. All I'm asking is, imagine if Wasim calls you and says, what did Zubair say? I just want you to be honestly able to convey to him what I said. And right now, I don't think you're understanding my argument.
No, I think I can, you know.
Okay, convey.
So basically, basically what you are saying is that, you know, whatever is written is based on the audience, right?
No. Right now, look, have I written the word audience in this anywhere?
Oh, not anywhere, but initially you wrote audience.
Yeah. So that was, we talked about so many things. I was trying to help you understand. Okay, right now.
Okay, all right. So you want me to go through this and circle with the red? Okay, number one, you can check it in all tafsir. Hence, you cannot say Quran has a mistake. That can only done. It's
what I'm saying is nobody understood it this way. How can you, if you ask anybody, okay, ask anybody who understand Arabic language, and they said, can you take from this, or even English language, okay, Are you taking from this that Zulkarnain reached a place where sun set? Nobody took that meaning. Because look, if for example, that's why I was giving you all this example of sunset and all that, and that's actually from Zakir Naik's video, and that kind of showed me that that was a very famous video, and you were not aware of that, so I was surprised about that. Okay, so basically, look, if I say to
yeah, go ahead.
Okay, look, so for example, if I call my dad, okay, and I say, Dad, sunset is at 8 o'clock, okay, and if you ask my dad, then did Zubair mean that sun actually sets? He went to University of Toronto and he thinks that sun sets? My dad would say, no, he's talking in common language. I never understood it to mean that sun is boom, setting. That's how people talk. Nobody, because you are saying that Quran says sun sets in murky water, and Zulkarnain reached that place where sun was setting. He was about to catch the sun and rip it apart. Nobody understood that way. So how can you say Quran says that when nobody even understood that way? So Quran